Hi everybody, my name is Dr. Elodie Jones and I wanted to welcome you to the fall semester of 2018. The class that you're taking is AEP800, Utilization of Technology in the Classroom. And this is a nice overview of some topics, theories, and applications with regard to technology in the classroom. And I have no doubt that you're going to learn a lot this semester. So I wanted to make a quick introduction video. I have been at Fort Hays now starting 6 years. Before that, I was teaching some undergrad classes in the College of Ed at KU, and have also been a high school teacher. My area of expertise is instructional technology, and I really love technology. I think that the technology has a time and place in our classrooms, and I can't wait to get started and kind of discuss kind of how we view technology's use within our classrooms. Like I said, technology does have a time and place, so I can't wait to get started and kind of discuss how we feel about certain aspects of technology and the generation that we're teaching now. With that being said, I know that there's some of you out there that are not teachers. Maybe you're instructional designers, maybe you aren't employed right now in a school district, and we will be flexible with what you bring to the table, and we can't wait to hear about what you have to tell us outside the PK-12 world of education. So people bring a lot to this class, and it's really exciting to just kind of see what people have to say. So as we get started, you're going to have an introduction video, and then you're going to get started with Module 2. What I want to really tell you is two things are very important in this class, and I reiterate them multiple times, and that is you must make sure all your documents in Google that you share on the community are set to canned common. That is not something that is default in Google, so you have to go in and change that before you copy the link and paste it into or post it into our Google community. And lastly, one of the things that I've really started to hone in on is this idea and the value and importance of a master's level student needs to be a great writer. And one of those things is that we do use APA styling, or American Psychological Association, which is used for all social sciences. And so I provide you two tools, the Purdue OWL website, and then also just an example of a Google Doc that I formatted to look like your documents, but it contains a lot of really helpful tips for formatting. And I understand that as you get started, lots of people are going to stumble and fall, but those first few assignments, I do go in and make a lot of corrections, and I expect you then to make those corrections in your third, fourth, fifth, and so on assignment. Just to reiterate, this is an 8-week class and it goes very quickly. All the modules are open for you to work as you need. Just don't work too far ahead, because when you do that, you don't get to be involved in those really important conversations and connections with your peers. And that's a really big part of this class is andragogy, which is the study of adult learning and how adults learn, is that we learn a lot from each other. So if you're so far ahead, it's hard to really connect with your peers. And so I really think that's valuable. And I know in reflections from graduates and even by the end of this course, you'll tell us, I learned so much from my peers. And anyway, I can't wait to get started. And I just want to welcome you again to Fort Hays State University. And I hope that you have an awesome semester. So take care, and we'll get started.